Okay guys, ever wanted a simple way to display trust-building numbers like satisfaction scores or client retention without a cluttered layout? Well, this section keeps it clean and minimal. Today we're adding this stats column section to your store. So let's not waste any more time. Let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Stats Column. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchased sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and search for Stats. Then choose that section. It'll be added instantly, and its settings open up on the left side. First, you can decide whether to show this heading or hide it entirely. I'll keep it visible and change it to Section Kit. You can add a reference to whatever source you're pulling your data from here. Right below that, you'll get size options for both mobile and desktop, and I'll also change the heading color to something else. Below that, there's a max width option. I'll leave that as it is. Below that, you'll find padding, margin, and size settings too, but honestly, the default values already look fine, so no need to touch those. Now let's move on to colors. I'll change this section's background color to white to match my store's color scheme, and the card's background color too, changing it to this one. Lastly, let's change the font style to Poppins, which I use across pretty much every section. You can also change the description text color if you'd like, but I think it looks good as it is. Now let's choose any card, and you can edit its number text, just like I'm doing here, and its description too. Once you've edited all the cards this way, hit Save, as always, and this section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.